Hello everyone, I will be showing you how to complete the assignment 3 to create the chatbot in the Copilot Studio. So creating the chatbot is a similar like create the software. So it's good to follow the SDLC or the software development lifecycle. So everything you start with planning and then continue with performing the requirement and analysis. After that you can do it or develop and then use the Copilot Studio to create your chatbot, and then after that continue with the testing. Once finished, then you can publish it. So it is important to consider what the chatbot will be used for. For example, you might use to manage account inquiries, or you can use it for the self-service support cases such as knowledge-based access. By knowing how you plan to use the Copilot, it will help you to define and plot the conversation path and determine how many topics the Copilot handles. So the chatbot can be simple, just a few scenarios, but it could be also a complex which contains many paths. Other functions that you could consider including the use it to look up basic account detail, inquiry, and then perform the more advanced account operations or implement some of the action. The more scenario that you initially consider, the easier to determine the topics that your Copilot need for you to facilitate it. Okay. So the important things is you have to understand really what you want to achieve with the Copilot, and you plan properly, so the process of developing will be much easier because you know what you want to achieve. Okay, so first you need to open the Copilot Studio portal. Okay, so open. Okay, I think I have to open in a new tab, so I keep the instructions open. Yep. So sign with your school email address. Okay, the first time you open Copilot Studio, it may display the chat interface to create your first agent. If this happens, click the triple dot menu at the top right, next to create button, and select cancel agent creation to leave the chat interface and view the Copilot Studio homepage. Okay, so waiting, this one, welcome to Copilot Studio, just skip it. Okay, good. So we are here. Describe your agent to create this, and you check the what the screenshot you have to do. There are 3 screenshots you have to collect. Then just collect accordingly. Okay. So this is the page that we saw just now, similar like this. Then after that we're going to create the Copilot. So in the navigation, this button, click create and then create the new agent. You're going to create a completely new agent or start with template, but what we're going to do according to the instruction in this assignment 3 is to create a brand new. Okay, so here I click create and then choose to create a brand new agent. Okay, you need to provide some information about this Copilot. The first is to provide the name, description, and then the instruction. And for the language, so change to the English US. But you will see, because we are in Singapore, yeah, if the language is by default is English Singapore, then that's fine. Yeah, we don't have to change. Or if you totally want to follow this 100%, you can also change accordingly. Yeah, this one not mandatory. Okay, so this is the information. Yeah, copy. Yeah. So this one, click the configure. The name, yeah, okay. I'm going to put, because I have created a few instance, I'm going to create the assignment 3. Yeah? Assignment 3, after that, follow by this. Exit the character limit, so I just put the ASG3 like this. Okay, so A3, yeah. Okay, just remove A3, then follow this. Okay, good, just nice. 30 character, yeah, A3, this one. To indicate this is assignment 3. Then we copy this in the description. Okay, in the instruction. Yep, so everything okay. At the top, you should change to the English US. Where is it? Yeah. So in the setting. Okay, yeah, so triple dot, and then after that, update the advanced setting. Oh, sorry, here, yeah. This is the general setting, then change your language. Okay. To change the setting, it asks you to authenticate. Yeah, language region. So English SG, yeah, you can change, yeah. Preferred language, English Singapore, yeah, add the language. Okay, I just keep it. Yeah, I don't want to change that. It's not needed. Yeah. I mean, not necessary. Okay, so go back, yeah, to the previous page. Okay, there was a question if your environment is different from me. Yeah, that's okay. As long as you can continue to create the Copilot chatbot and complete it, then doesn't matter. Your environment may not be the same as mine. Yeah, okay. So click the agent. Yeah, A3. So here you go. Okay. This is the one that we already have just created. Yeah. Then we continue. This is a screenshot showing the adding or configuring the chatbot name, Copilot name, and then description and the instruction. Okay, when you're ready, select create at the top right to create your agent. Okay, so we have done, yeah. your agent is ready. Yeah, here's what next. Yeah, add action, trigger, yeah, publish. Okay, so we continue. After a short while, it will be displayed like this. Yeah, you can unpin, yeah, on the left, yeah, to get the more spaces. Yeah. Okay, continue with the task number 6. So test by typing the hello and then view the response. After that, continue by typing in the prompt, who should I contact about the booking for the appointment. Okay, yeah, here you go. Hello. Okay, so you can close this. Yeah, greeting. Yeah. Then after that, type who should I contact about booking for the appointment. Yeah. Okay, yeah. To book the appointment for the real estate property, you should contact real estate. Okay, this one is a very generic answer. Yeah. This time the response may be appropriate, but also likely to be fairly generic. In a real organization, you want the agent to provide the email address of the phone number for the user to contact. Yeah. Okay, so let's try another prompt. What is your office operating hours? This one also generic. Yeah. The answer. So we're going to edit, yeah, to provide the more specific things to this chatbot. Okay, so close the test your agent pane. Yeah, so this one we can close. Yeah. Okay, so yep, activity map. Go to the setting. Okay, we're going to edit this with the Copilot. Yeah, go to the topics, and then we're going to add the new topics. After we click add, and then choose to create from description with the Copilot. Okay, yeah. So click the topics, and then after that add. We close this test pane. Add the topic. After that, create from description with the Copilot. Okay, then you need to provide the name and create the topic 2. Yeah, so in the name, customer details. Okay, so I put A3 because I might already have created the A3 customer detail, and then ask the customer for their name and address. Okay. Yep, this one, yeah. Then create and save. Okay, so see the text allow. Yeah, okay. Good. Yeah, then click save. Don't forget to click save. To click save. Okay. Describe what the topic does. Yeah, and then after that we have this. Yeah. Question: what is your name? And then identify the person name. And then save user response. And then question: what is your email address? Okay, so something like this. Yeah. What is your name and what is your email address? Now locate the edit with the Copilot. Yeah, edit with the Copilot. This one. In the edit with Copilot pane, if this not shown, yeah, then on the reset, select the Copilot icon in the upper part. Yeah, the Copilot icon in the upper part. This one. Yeah, if this one is not shown. Okay, now we're going to continue by updating the notes with the natural language. Select the second question node, which is the what is your email address? Yeah, and then we're going to provide information in the what do you want to do? Yeah, update with this. Yeah, update the message in this question node to say thank you to the name variable from the previous node, and then proceed to ask the email address question. Okay, so here in the question, what is your email address? Yeah, this one. You select this. Yeah. After that, in the select what email address, yeah. Then this one, yeah. Okay. Yep. So here, what do you want to do? Yeah. Then paste. Yeah. So update the message in this question. Note to say thank you to the name variable from the previous node, and then ask the email. Yeah. Proceed to ask the email address question, and then make sure you are not adding a separate message. Okay, yeah, so update. Okay, so we use Copilot, yeah, to construct the message. Update and then save. Don't forget to click save. Okay, now continue add the notes with natural language. In addition to adding the updating existing node, you can use the Copilot to add a new one. Yeah, so to create a new one, you have to click the mouse on the white space, yeah, not to select any of this node. So make sure that no node is selected by selecting the empty space around the nodes, and then in the edit with the Copilot panel, in what you want to do field, enter the following text. Yeah, summarize the information collected in the adaptive card. Okay, copy. Yeah, so we just click the any white space here. Yeah, not to select anything in this flow chart. Yeah, so put here. Yeah, summarize the information collected in the adaptive card. Okay, so you scroll down, then it will be added here. Yeah, there will be a summarize the adaptive card. Here, yeah, this is the adaptive card media, summarizing the name and the email address. Select update, and then after that this edit, yeah, this one, and then save. Don't forget to click save. Okay, so we are progressing now, adding nodes with natural language. Select the media box, yeah, in the adaptive card. The adaptive card property should appear on the right of the screen. This one, yeah, adaptive card. Okay, if it does not, then you can paste in the formula in the next slide and save. Yeah, okay, so this you're going to copy to make it the same. Yeah, so I copy this part. Don't forget to include everything, including the last bracket. If you want to format, you can put in the notepad first. Yeah? Okay, so here, click the adaptive card. This one. Okay. Wait. Yep. Here you go. Adaptive cut. Yeah. Then this one. So in the formula cut, you delete. Then after that, replace with the one you copy from the just now. Yeah. From the PDF, from the left guide. Okay. That's the thing. Yeah. Okay. After that, open the adaptive cut properties, closes the edit the Copilot panel. Therefore, you need to select the Copilot icon to reopen it. Yeah. So if you close the edit, yeah, then you have to open again, edit with the Copilot. So save it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Still open. Yeah. So we don't have to click again. Still open. Edit with the Copilot. Make sure that no node is selected by selecting empty space around the nodes, and then you're going to enter this policy, this text, yeah, to add the new multiple choice question with yes or no. Okay, yeah. So here I click the white area, nothing selected. After this adaptive cut, yeah, then change this to this one. Yeah. Add the new multiple choices question to prompt the user if the details are correct with two options, yes or no. Yeah, click update. So you notice at the end of this the topics, we have to edit the question with the answer yes or no. Okay, yeah, here you go, yes or no. Okay, select the update and then save. Saving. Okay. Now select the topics tab in the top bar of the real estate and then choose from blank. Yeah, add the topics from blank. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so okay, click the topics and then after that add the topics from blank. Okay, so you will see something like this. Yeah, select the plus add the topic and select from blank. Yeah, okay, select the detail icon to open the topic title dialog. Okay, so here there is a detail. Yeah, detail. Okay, then we have the detail dialog. Okay, after that you're going to configure the name. Yeah, book a real estate showing. Okay, so I put the A3 minus book a real estate showing like this. Yeah, okay, and then in the description select the property and requested date and create a booking request from the customer. Okay, yep, then continue. In the model display name, book the real estate showing. We put the A3 in front. Okay, yeah, already automatically given the name. Book a real estate showing. Yeah, okay. In the model description, enter the following text. We just copy paste. Yeah, model description. Okay, yeah. Trigger this agent only if the user's intent clearly matches action related to scheduling a property, viewing, or booking the appointment. Okay, just remove the trading space, such as I want to book real estate viewing. Okay, then schedule showing for a house. And then arrange okay, like this. Set up an appointment. Okay, let's have a look at the original text. Okay, yep. So use the double quote. Yeah. Do not trigger for general question. Okay. Yep. So like this. Okay. Yeah, just put the space after the dot. Do not trigger for the general questions information. Okay, trigger decision only if the user's intent clearly matches action related to the schedule, scheduling a property viewing or booking appointment for real estate property. For example, trigger for exact or highly similar places such as I want to book a real estate viewing. Yeah. And then schedule a showing for a house. Arrange a property viewing. Set up appointment to visit property. Plan a real estate tour. Do not trigger for general question information. Request. Okay. Then casual mention of the real estate or any other unrelated topics. Okay, good. Yeah. So this is the description. Select save. Okay, if you notice in my previous demonstration, we also configure something like that using the braces. Yeah, so braces is supported in the classic, but we already use Gen AI. So we slightly edit the details differently. Yeah. Okay. Select the save. After that, now is the time for us to test your chatbot. Yeah. If it is not open, select the test button in the upper right of the screen to open the testing panel. Select the three dots at the top here, yeah, to enable the debug mode. Okay, and then test your chatbot. Select the start the new conversation icon at the top of the testing panel. Yeah, when the conversation start, your copilot will start conversation. In response, enter trigger page like I want to book a real estate showing. Okay, yeah, so here we do the testing. Yeah. Okay, let's here, yeah, and then after that click the test. Okay, triple dot. After that okay, wait, debug mode on. Yeah, okay, debug mode on. Okay, so hello. Yeah. this type of greeting. Then after that, you ask the question. Okay, then yeah, I want to book a real estate showing. Okay, yeah, your request to book a real estate showing has been successfully processed. Is there anything else I can assist you with? Yeah. Okay, so look here. The compiled response, your request to book real estate showing has been successfully processed. Yeah. If you need any further assistance, feel free to ask, or similar response. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to enhance, which we're going to do that in a next assignment, continuing from this. Okay, so this is the completion of the assignment 3.